Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGBY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And another very nice day today. So updates here need to be made. And the price is now at highs that haven't been seen for a very long time. But let's first just do a little house cleaning. And to do that, I'm going to get rid of these lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to this the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to have 5 million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video and remember me talking about 3 cents as resistance, now that the price is above it, this would be that ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 3 cents, that would make the chart look as pretty can be. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 3 cents, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But as far as what's going to make the chart look the best, definitely staying up above 3 cents. And then as I talked about in yesterday's video, just continue to keep an eye on that purple line right there. Not very relevant at this point, but that's that overall moving average, the 50-period simple moving average. And as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health going forward. Now we got to seek out some new areas of resistance, so the fun stuff. First one is more so kind of a shorter term one, and that's just right here at 0.036. The price did temporarily get up above it, but that didn't last very long. And then after the price fell below it, you can see it got rejected a couple of times there, then got rejected a little bit later. So 0.036 is going to be that initial area of resistance. But after that, we're going to have to go to another time frame, I believe, because the price is, it is at highs that have not been seen for a very long time. There we go. So let's get another line there. And that next area of resistance right up there around, what is that, 0.04. So 0.036, 0.04, next two key levels of resistance. But, really from the grand scheme of things, and I'm sure I've said this before, but as long as the price keeps doing what it's been doing in terms of putting in these higher lows as time goes by, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.